This is the one we chose. Big enough, didn't break the bank, good reputation. Let's open it up and see if our research was good or not. Okay, here is the strainer. Looks good. And one more piece. There we go. First impressions are that I'm happy with it. It's nice and thick. It's pretty. There is a seam right here. See it? Let me rotate it slightly. There's a slight seam. Do you see it right there? But at this price point, that's kind of what I expected. That's okay. This is not hand blown. And but it is nice. I like that. And obviously, there we go. Perfect fit. I am pleased. All right. Hope that helps.